How to update Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, this is extremely simple. Depending on the device that you are using, we have the app downloader to our device. If you're using an Android device, you then have the Google Play Store. But if you have an Apple device or iOS device like me, you want to navigate through the App Store. Now, both of these stores are just the same. It is used to download and update applications on our devices. From here, you want to go ahead and open up your application downloader, and once inside, you want to go ahead and search for Capcut. Now inside Capcut, we then have to click on Capcut right here, and as you can see, we then have the ability to click on the download button. Now, if you cannot see an update button inside the App Store or Google Play Store, it means that you are already using the latest version of the application, so keep that in mind. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.